Hi, this video is to help you if you need to change your bio on the element or on our school webpage. So go to staff, and then up here in the top right corner you're going to click login, and you just type in whatever you use to log into your computer. So mine's Whitehead M, and then put whatever your password is for when you sign into your computer, and then log in. Then when I go to my name, wherever it is, there. Right over here I can click edit profile, and on this page I can upload a picture if I wanted to, one from my computer, and then I would just upload the picture. And this second tab up here, profile, that is where you type in whatever you're going to say as part of your bio, and then just hit save user, and it should show up on the web page there for you. So if you need to change your web page, log in up here in the top corner and then edit profile over here, and that should be it. If you have any other questions, let me know.